Delete your Telegram account permanently. Hello guys, my name is Shahid and welcome back. In this video, we will talk about how you can delete your Telegram account permanently. So there are two ways to do it. The one way will not delete it instantly. It will take some time, and the other method that I am going to tell you will permanently delete your account. So first of all, you need to open your Telegram. Then you need to click on the three lines menu. From there, you can go to the setting. And once you go to the setting, the next thing you need to tap is privacy and security. Once you click on privacy and security and just scroll a bit, you will find delete my account option. So once you click on it, you will see that account self-destruct in 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. That means that if you log out from your Telegram account and you don't use it for 1 month or 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, depending upon the option that you have chosen, so your account will be deleted automatically. It's like a self-destruct. So if I choose 1 month and I log out after 1 month, my account will be deleted. But the thing is that you don't need to log in again during 1 month. So guys, the other method which I will show you today is the one where you can permanently delete your account instantly. You don't need to wait for it. So how you can do it, I will tell you. So first of all, you go to your browser here, and then you need to type my.telegram.org, and once you click on that one, I am already logged in because I need to show you how to do it. So you will find this page. So this page, you need to enter your phone number, the number which you use for your Telegram account. So you need to country code, and then you need to type your phone number and then click on next. So here they say that confirmation code. So a confirmation code will be sent not by SMS or text message. It will be sent by a Telegram message. So you need to go to your Telegram application, and you will find the code here. This is your login code. As you can see here, it's a bit long, and if there is a word capital, you need to type it capital as well. So I will put this code here, and once you click on sign in, as you can see your Telegram core, and then you have the option there, delete account. So once you click on delete account, here you will find that if you delete your account, all your messages and contacts will be deleted beyond retrieval. You cannot retrieve your messages and your contacts. So are you sure you want to delete it? So this is your phone number and why you're leaving. So you can choose any of your option that why you want to delete, and you can enter it here, like my friend's not using the application. So I will just put this one. So you can enter anything and then delete my account. So once you click on the delete your account, they will again ask you that are you sure? Please only delete your account if you no longer want to use Telegram. So once yes, delete my account. So if you want to delete your account, just click on yes, delete my account, and now you can see your account was successfully deleted from our system. So this is how you can delete your account permanently, and I will show you now by clicking on Telegram. And as you can see, my account has been deleted. A while ago I received a login code on it, but now my account has been deleted. So this is how you can permanently and instantly delete your Telegram account. I hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.